In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer statement in Zoho Books. A customer statement is a clear summary of everything a customer owes and is paid over a period of time. It brings invoices, payments, credits, and balances into one view, which is great for quick check-ins, month-end reviews, and resolving questions about what's outstanding. I'll walk you through the exact path to open that statement so you can access it whenever you need. Begin on your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see high-level financial insights at a glance. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, and verify that your role has access to customer details. That will ensure the right options appear as we move through the menus. From the left sidebar, select Sales. This is where Zoho Books groups everything related to selling estimates, invoices, payments received, and of course, your customer list. The sales section keeps all revenue-related activities organized in one place, so heading here first sets you up to find the right customer quickly. Next, choose Customers. You'll see your contact list, typically showing active customers by default. If your list is long, take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct view and that the customer you have in mind is active and spelled correctly. Accuracy here matters because the statement you're about to open reflects exactly what's recorded on that contact's profile. Now, pick the customer you want to review by clicking their name. This opens the customer's profile page where you can see recent transactions, open balances, and contact information. It's a useful place to pause and make sure the numbers look reasonable. If something seems off here, it'll also appear that way on the statement. Inside the customer's profile, click Statement. This opens a compiled view of that customer's activity. You'll typically see an opening balance at the top, followed by a chronological list of invoices, payments, and credits, each with dates and references, and a closing balance at the bottom. The layout is designed to be easy to follow, so you can trace how the balance changes with each transaction. You may also see aging information that highlights how long amounts have been due, which can help prioritize follow-ups. That's all there is to it. By starting at the dashboard, moving through Sales to Customers, selecting the right contact, and opening statement, you get a precise, ready-to-review summary of the customer's account. Use this view to confirm balances, prepare for conversations, and maintain clean, transparent records. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you work more confidently in Zoho Books.